Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add bot in Telegram. So without any further delay, let's dive right in. First thing first, let's tap into the Telegram app and it will lead you to this page. All you have to do is go in the contacts option, which is at the left bottom corner. And in the search bar, let's tap in bot father. Let's choose this one right here, which is verified, and it is saying what a bot can do. Let's skip that and let's tap in the start button. And here there are like various bot options. So here you can see create a new bot. So let's simply copy command and type in here. So this will be used as a command for the new bot. So it's saying, all right, a new bot target, please. Okay, all you have to do is choose a name. Let's choose one click. And okay, choose a username if you must end it on. Okay, let's choose one click. So here you go. We have a new bot here, so all we have to do is tap in this link over here, and this is our new bot. Just tap and start. And yeah, we've created a bot now. And this is how you create a new bot in the Telegram app. And of course, you can share it with your friends. You can also add this bot in your group or different channels to share it with your friends. So if you want a video on that, we have a separate video on how to add bot to your Telegram group. You can check it out. I hope this video was helpful. If so, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I would really appreciate that. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video.